Okay, Shopcat must have done something wrong because this deadbolt was stuck in the locked position. So I was trying to let him back in and I couldn't open the door. Freezing cold outside. Of course it would happen when it's freezing cold outside. And it's not this part because turn that and this turns. And it does turn this. But if you look, it moves that. It moves that. But there's some little pin thing right down there laying right there that's broken. But one way or another, I will get this open before this video is over because Shopcat's already wanting out. Now, this looks promising. I've got my 90-degree pick, and it looks like there's something right here that's loose and flips up. I'm going to try grabbing that and pull it, and oh yes! Look at that. That actually did it that quickly. That pulled that sucker back. Let's see if we get the door open. Look, Shopcat's waiting. He heard that deadbolt open up. He's ready to go. Oh, there it is. There it is. And he's out. Hey, a little bonus material for y'all still watching. So I really appreciate y'all watching the whole video. From the inside, I was reaching with the 90-degree pick, and I'm grabbing this part right here, which it looks like the pin used to be between it and this piece right here. And so when they had a pin in it, it would move like so. But without a pin, it doesn't matter how much this rotates or how much this moves because they're not connected anymore. So what I did was I grabbed that with the 90 degree and I pull back and forth, and you see how it slides the bolt back and forth. You need to know that because there's another way to unlock this. There's also another way it can be broke. You see that looks like it's getting ready to break right there. If that breaks, then maybe from the top you could grab it right here and move it back and forth. But from the outside, let's say it's locked in a locked position like that, and you go around to the outside and you take the thing off so you have access like I did before. I had it off, and then hey, Shopcat, he's back. Then you could take a flathead screwdriver and grab it by that pin, if that pin's still there, and push that back, and that also releases the bolt. Now, what if that pin's not there? What if that pin is gone and there's just a hole there? Well, if it's all the way there and that pin's gone and there's a hole, you're back to using a pick again, and this time it would be a straight on pick, so you could go straight in there and grab that and then push it back to get the bolt to go in, so you can open the door and get the screws out and replace the thing. Isn't that right, Shopcat? Ooh, squirrel. Look at that squirrel. You going to let that squirrel run around in your yard? I'm surprised you didn't climb the tree. Where did it go? Did it just disappear? Where'd that squirrel go? He's embarrassed now.